Hello and welcome to the Boldero's on Tour. Welcome back.
Hi, I'm Carol.
And I'm Michael. And first of all, we've got some thank yous to make, haven't we?
Yep.
Go on then.
Just want to say thank you to everybody who's viewed our vlog and all the subscribers. Thank you very much.
It's really appreciated. I tell you something. This is one of the hardest things we've done, isn't it? Because it really is. It can be really nerve-wracking, can't it?
Yep.
Probably we look back at the first vlog and you think, ooh.
Miserable.
No, I wouldn't say miserable. It was just terrifying, I would say would be the word.
Yeah.
Terrifying. But, you know, you've got to start somewhere.
We'll learn.
And we're learning. We're learning all the time. So the biggest headache I've got is editing.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I'm retired. And we're getting on a bit. Well, I am. Carol's not getting on a bit. She's as useful as ever. But to pick up new stuff can be a little bit daunting. So we've reached out to some of our friends on YouTube and they've been very, very helpful. And they know who they are. And thanks for all the good advice they've given us.
Yeah, thank you.
So what we're going to talk about today is what we're going to be up to for the next few weeks. And we're going on our travels, aren't we?
We are.
So next week, we're going to one of our favourite sites, which is Southport Caravan and Motorhome Club.
Yeah, we love it there. It's lovely. Walking by the sea, if you can see the sea, which we have seen a couple of times.
Yeah, you've got to check the tide times and then go for your walk when the tide's in.
But it's flat. It's lovely.
And you also get a good view of Blackpool Tower.
And the big one.
And the big one. So you can see them from Southport. But as Carol said, it's nice and flat, easy walking. But believe it or not, on a day we can walk probably 7 miles.
Yeah,
easily. Because it is a bit spread out, but it is a lovely, lovely town in Southport. Been in the news for all the wrong reasons, of course, but I'll tell you what, the people, the shops, the pubs, the restaurants, all superb, aren't they?
Especially the pubs.
The pubs, yeah. So that's where we're going next week, and then from there, we're not going too far.
Well, we're only there 2 nights.
2 nights. And then we're going on to a place called Donkey Creek at Freckleton, which is between Preston and Lytham St Anne's.
Yeah. And
we went there last year, didn't we, for a visit?
November.
That was last November, wasn't it? So a little bit cold. But we're going there for our wedding anniversary.
Yep.
And where we're going for something to eat.
The Ship.
The Ship in Freckleton. So it looks a nice menu there. So we're going there for our wedding anniversary meal thing. Mm-hmm. And also we're hoping to catch up with 2 more YouTubers who are maybe a little bit more famous than we are and friendly. The Caravan Addies. So we're hoping to see them too, aren't we?
Tony and Deb.
Tony and Deb's the Caravan Addies. So that's going to be a highlight. We've been in touch with them and hopefully we shall catch up with them. And you never know, we might be able to video them as well. See them in their natural habitat.
So we're there for...
She might make us a cake.
Oh, she might. She makes nice cakes.
She does make nice cakes.
So we're there for 4 nights.
4 nights, yeah.
Fully serviced.
Fully serviced pitch at Donkey Creek. So I haven't got to go and fetch the water. So everything's going to be good for that.
Yeah.
And then when we come back from Donkey Creek, it's the week of the Motorhome and Caravan Show at the NEC in Birmingham.
And we're going.
And we're going. Just for 1 day, though. We'll be there on Friday, the 17th of October. And all being well, we should be in our new polo shirts.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Our neighbour John, he's a bit of a technical whiz kid and he likes printing things. So he's doing them for us. We should have them this week, shouldn't we?
Hopefully.
Yeah. And he's even put our name on so we know who belongs to who.
Well, we know who we are then, don't we?
Well, I never know who I am. Living in the twilight zone most of the time.
Yeah, tell me about it.
So we're there at the Motorhome and Caravan Show at the NEC on Friday, the 17th of October. So if you see us out and about there, come and say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Right, all that. We're also working on videos to come as well. We've got videos coming all the way through autumn and winter.
We'll try our best.
We'll try our best. We're going to try and put out at least 1 a week. So it all depends on circumstances, really, doesn't it?
And weather.
And weather. So videos to come is one you're going to be doing.
Yep, I'm going to do a video of showing you inside Connie when she's all set up, looking all cosy and lovely.
Yeah, it's a nice place to be.
Love it.
Our happy place.
Our happy place.
Yeah. We're also going to be showing you, a lot of people would be put off having a 2-berth caravan because of the faff of making up a bed. But we think we've cracked it.
Eventually.
It took 6 years, but we have cracked it.
Yeah.
We think.
We have.
So we're going to do a video about how we make the beds up and how we could do it in about, what, 4 or 5 minutes?
No, 6 minutes.
6 minutes. 6 minutes. But don't forget, I get a kiss among that.
That's when we're putting it away.
Oh, is it? Right. So we'll be doing a video about how easy it is to make a bed up in a 2-berth caravan.
With a duvet.
With duvets, yep. And what else have we got coming up?
We're also going to do a video, well, Michael is, on the air conditioner that we got in August.
Yeah. We've actually got the latest generation, Generation 2 Truma compact air conditioner. It doesn't only air condition, it heats as well. So we'll be having a look at that and what's involved with having one of the fittings.
And it's also got mood lighting.
Yeah, so when Carol's in the mood, she puts the light on.
That's a bit cheeky. We're also going to do a video on the winter cover that we've got for Connie. We like to look after her in winter and make sure that she's all covered up because we've got big trees nearby. So we'd just like to make sure that she's all covered up in winter. So there'll be a video coming out with that.
Yeah, let me explain. We generally caravan from March while the end of October. December we generally go away to Scotland, but that's on a coach Christmas job, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which is quite nice. Then you've got Christmas. January I always find a bit of a miserable month.
Oh, it's horrible.
And what we don't like to do is, I mean, this is our choice. Everybody's got their own take on this, but we don't like to risk taking the caravan out when the weather can be snowing or blowing or storms or anything like that. We'll take most stuff, but I'm afraid I draw the line at trying to tow a caravan in the snow. And
it's a hill to get out onto the main road from the house.
Yeah, we live in West Yorkshire and we've got a steep hill to go up to get out from where we live. So we'll be looking about putting the caravan to bed for winter, what precautions we do, what steps we take, how we protect the wheels, what we do with the water system, all that sort of stuff. Some of you may have already seen it on other channels, but we're going to do that as well. And also, we're going to be putting together some short videos for beginners because we realise a lot of people are new into caravanning.
Like we were.
Yeah, again, some of this stuff maybe have already been covered, but we're going to do simple things like how to hitch up, how to do the nose weight, how to run the gas system, what's involved with that, the water, so, the usual sort of things that people that we maybe take for granted, being experienced caravanners, but for anybody who's just bought a caravan, especially for the season that will be coming up next year in 2026, some short videos, just like I think they'll be like a library. You think, oh, how do I do this? Hang on, let's go on the Boldero on tour. Yeah, that's the video I want to watch. So that's going to be little shorts, videos about specialist subjects to do with caravanning.
Which you'll be doing and I'll be filming.
Yeah, Carol's getting good with the camera. Yeah. Right, so I think that's about it for this one.
I think so. There's nothing else to update.
So don't forget, if you're at the Motorhome and Caravan Club at the NEC on Friday, the 17th of October, do come and say hello. You won't be able to miss us. And if you happen to be at Donkey Creek in the next couple of weeks, come and say hello there, and same at Southport.
Yeah.
But for now, we're going to say
ta-ra!
See you soon.